Hello, dear friends. Welcome to the channel for learning English through stories. We are very happy and hope that everyone will improve their English listening and reading skills with us. Today, our lesson will be the story, The Fox and the Grapes. A hungry fox was walking through a vineyard when it saw some ripe, juicy grapes hanging high on a vine. The grapes looked so delicious, and the fox thought they would be the perfect treat to satisfy its hunger. However, no matter how hard it tried, the fox could not reach the grapes. They were just too high. After a while, the fox grew tired and frustrated. Finally, it turned away and comforted itself by saying, "Those grapes are probably sour anyway, not worth the effort." Lesson. This fable teaches us about self-justification when we fail or can't achieve something we desire. The fox convinces itself that the grapes it can't reach aren't worth the effort, making itself feel better. This is a common psychological mechanism that helps us avoid the disappointment of failure. When we can't achieve something, we often tell ourselves that it wasn't important or worth having in the first place.
Moral of the story. Justifying failure. The story reflects the tendency of humans to rationalize when we fail to achieve something we want. We often convince ourselves that the thing we couldn't get wasn't that important, so we don't feel bad about it. This mechanism helps us cope with disappointment, but it's also a reminder that sometimes we need to face failure more maturely. Reevaluating the value of our goals. The story also encourages us to reconsider whether the goals we are striving for are truly worth pursuing. If they are not, we might be investing too much time and effort into things that don't bring long-term happiness or value. 1. Vocabulary. Fox, grapes, hungry, jump, disappointed, persuade, sour. 2. Sentence structure. The fox tried to reach the grapes, but they were too high. He was very hungry, so he wanted to eat the grapes. After failing, the fox said to himself, "Those grapes are probably sour anyway." Here is the complete story of the fox and the grapes in English, along with some basic vocabulary. Wishing you all the best in your studies. Keep practicing your listening and reading skills. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to enjoy the next videos about learning English through stories. Thank you so much for joining us.